Hey there, crypto market fam. We've got some juicy updates that you won't want to miss. So buckle up and let's dive in. First up, Bitrue has just announced an exclusive earn event for all you XRP investors out there. With up to a whopping 50% APR, this is an opportunity you definitely don't want to pass up. By staking your XRP tokens on Bitrue, you could earn some serious rewards and maximize your profits. Plus, with the recent success of their Super Power Piggy event and Referral Piggy campaign, Bitrue is quickly becoming the go-to exchange for XRP enthusiasts. Fox journalist Eleanor Terrett revealed that Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin is a co-founder of Whopping Blockchain Labs, a non-profit research institute that's funded by Whopping Holding. This has sparked some controversy in the crypto community, as some are concerned about a potential conflict of interest with Prometheum, a crypto-focused company that has received a license to operate as a digital asset securities platform and also has ties to Buterin. However, others have defended Buterin, pointing out that his involvement is not uncommon in the industry and that he's been transparent about his role with Prometheum. Lastly, the Monetary Authority of Singapore has teamed up with some major players in the industry, including JP Morgan, Amazon, and several central banks, to explore the utility of digital assets. In their technical white paper called Purpose-Bound Money, they discussed the potential of smart contracts, stablecoins, tokenized bank liabilities, and CBDCs as mediums of exchange in the new crypto era. We hope you found these updates informative and engaging. If you did, please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who might be interested. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more news and updates from Crypto Market. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.